In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get X-Ray in Minecraft Bedrock Edition step by step. For more Minecraft Bedrock Edition tutorials just like this, make sure you leave a like on this video, share it with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. Now first things first, if you're in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, go ahead and close out of this. And what you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice and search up the breakdown.xyz. What you're going to want to do is actually find this little download section up at the top and click on it just like so. And it should be the very first thing on this that says download X-Ray for Minecraft Bedrock. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the Minecraft 1.21 X-Ray button and go ahead and click download just like so. And it's going to automatically download to your thing right up at the very top. Now, the reason you're going to want to close Minecraft for this is because if Minecraft is open for you, this is not going to work, because in order to actually launch this, you just need to go ahead and click on Minecraft. You just need to click on this MC pack right here, just like so. And it's going to give you this option to open it up with Minecraft. Go ahead and make sure it opens up with Minecraft just like so. And as you can see, it'll say import started up at the top and then successfully imported X-Ray 1.21 right there. Now to actually go ahead and activate your pack, you're going to want to go to settings and then go down to global resources, just like so. And in this little my pack section, open that up and you should see the Minecraft X-Ray right here. Just click on it and then hit activate just like so. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and add it to a specific world by just finding whatever world you want to add it to. Click on this little arrow and then scroll down on this page until you see the resource pack section. In this available option, there's going to be an own section. Simply find that and hit activate, and it's going to go into this active section. Now you just need to go ahead and hit play on whatever world you want to go ahead and do. And as you can see, you're going to be in here. Now it might look a little dark for you just like so. There's a very simple fix for this. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. What you're going to want to do is press escape on this section. And first of all, I need to change this to creative real quick. And simply go ahead and go into your settings once you hit escape and then find video on this. And you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down on this page until you find the option for smooth lighting. Now you may not have this option. If you don't have this option, don't worry about it at all, because what you're going to still want to do is type in this little dash section just like so, and then type in effect space @s and then go ahead and put in night NIGHT underscore vision VISION and then put 999999 space 1 and then hit enter. This is going to make it a lot easier for you to see all of those ores. It's also going to give you that infinite night vision, so it's going to work in the nether as well. Now to actually go ahead and turn off the X-ray, first go ahead and type in dash effect and then do @s clear just like so. Hit enter. It's going to turn that off, and then go back to the main menu, go back into settings, find the global resources section, go back into active packs, and then go ahead and click on this and hit deactivate. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.